Hello everybody, welcome to the Locatory, the Sister Locatory. Just bringing you another video. Today is Wednesday and I washed my hair last night, so I'm wearing this hair hat today. Just temporary until I get my Sisterlocks installed on Friday. Oh my gosh, look at there y'all. I just broke my earring. Oh my goodness. Oh, but look at my earrings. They're so cute. I think they're so cute. Something I picked up from the hair store. Yeah. But oh my gosh, I guess you get what you pay for. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just showing you what I'm wearing. It's a bump wig. Not sure if I will wear it tomorrow, but oh well, it doesn't even matter because I'm getting my Sisterlocks installed. So let me go fix my earring. I'll be right back.
Tomorrow is the day that I go broke. I'm just kidding, but hey, I'm gonna be looking fabulous. I'm gonna look fabulous. Fabulous. Can y'all say fabulous? Fabulicious. Yes, honey. I'm getting my Sisterlocks tomorrow. Thank goodness. Get something done to this head. Y'all, I washed my hair last night. Man, you talking about so much gray. Like, where? Oh my gosh. It's like the gray. Excuse that bump. The gray in my hair is multiplying. Like, oh my gosh. It is crazy. I'm like, you know, when it comes to color, I have virgin hair when it comes to color. I've never had color in my hair. Never had color in my hair. But I am like, or dye, you know, but I'm like, this ain't gonna work with all this. It's so cute. Fabulous. They got Queen written all on it. Guess how much I paid for them, y'all? $1. Yes. Alright, I'm about to go and pick up my daughter. Peace. Don't need no hair grease. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Locatory. So today is a big day, and y'all, let me tell you what happened. So my appointment was at 9 o'clock. Well, we rescheduled it until 9 o'clock. And so now, you know, I went and I dropped my daughter off to daycare. How about I locked my keys up in the car? Locked my keys in the car. So I had to wait for someone to bring me my spare key. So that took like another 45 minutes or so. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So it's almost 10 o'clock. So we're going to get started a little bit later. So I will keep you all posted. I'm still rocking this hair hat today until I get it done. But yeah, so I'll be back.
So here we are getting ready to put the rinse on the hair to cover up some of that gray. So I'm just showing you my Sealy plaits. I look like Sealy. But yeah, look at all that gray, y'all. It's a beast. But anyways, just showing you a little bit of length. It's not stretched, of course, to its full potential, but some of my hair is 7 inches, some 7.5, some 8 inches. So we're getting ready to do that. Here we have the Sisterlocks. It's a 4 pattern. I washed my hair on Wednesday. Today is Friday. And the 3 pattern totally washed away. But this is all I have left of the 4 pattern. So I wanted to show you all that. And thumbs up for color. Yay! First time getting color on my hair. So yeah, it's just going to cover up the gray. Hey everybody, so I just received this color, got rid of that gray in my hair, and so had to dry it and get the water out. So now we're getting ready to start. Yeah, have my little Sealy plaits in. Got a little Sealy plaits. So I'm happy that the gray is gone because I couldn't deal. And you can see that I have 4C textured hair, super thick. 4C to the ZZZ to the third power. Alright, so I'm about to get started.